Hello everyone, welcome to yet another vlog, and if you see me here that means I will be doing a nail set today. I'm planning to do two of them because I really need to stock up my videos. I will be leaving soon for my university, so I really need to get some stuff done, and I'm planning to create two nail sets today, and I kind of already planned them, so I'm not gonna show you guys how I plan them this time because I think they're gonna be repetitive and you guys might just get annoyed and bored. And another task for today would be to file my mom's nail. So I done her nail for I think on the 18th or basically before the August started, and I'm really happy that they lasted about 2 weeks, I think so. And that was a good thing because the first time that I did them they were just like few days, so I think they only lasted like 1 or 2 days, but this time I decided to just file them extra, and I have decided to follow the instruction that was given to me during the show that I posted it. Thanks to all the nail techs that have been, thank you very much, that really helpful, and they lasted, so that was a good thing. So I'm just gonna file her nails. I will show you like the before and after, and if you're a nail tech watching this, please do let me know what I'm doing wrong because I'm not pro at filing, as I do not have any license. I also don't know how to do it. I'm gonna remove my mom's nail that I just did a few weeks ago. So she got these one left, this one got off, so I'm just gonna remove these and then leave them bare. And I will definitely be using the AliExpress nail dust collector, and then I'm using this A file which is from, I don't know what brand, Nice Needed, and it was from Amazon. So I'm just gonna remove them and I will see you later. So I finished filing hair nails and this hand is done. I finished the other hand as well. And if you guys have got any kind of suggestion how to do them properly, do let me know, and then we'll move to our next task. So this is the plan for today. So I'm planning to create, ignore my water bottle, so I'm planning to create two sets. So the top one is going to be like a blue marble type of set, and then the bottom one is going to be a, for the turquoise one, I want to add the glow in the dark element, which I have not seen before. So I really want to try to create that turquoise effect but with the glow in the dark, and most probably I will not be able to show you guys the glow in the dark effect right now because it's not night, but I will show you before and after, like at the night, and then I will just record a clip and then pop it in. So these are the two sets that I'm planning to do, and I really hope so that I will be taking some pictures because honestly I am so much on a backlog. I don't know how many sets I got left to post. I have also got a set that I need to post on my Etsy shop, which I'm not doing. I also need to create some more sets for my Etsy shop, which I'm doing. I just feeling late. So for one of the blue sets, I'm planning to use either Scorpio Season, which is pretty dark, and then this is the other option, which is less dark. So let's see whichever one is darkest. And then I got those inks, and I'm planning to use that blue ink, which I never used, and then I also got this ink as well, and then the white ink. Hopefully I will be able to make what I have got in vision, and obviously I'll be using the usual top coats and base coats, and I'm planning to use the AJ gels for the base. Most probably I will use this one as nude base, but I think I might have to go for something lighter. Then I got to order like few of them, so let's see whichever one that works the best. And then for the turquoise set, I remember that I ordered like turquoise gels, and they should be here somewhere if I'm not wrong, because I did order them really long ago when I did my haul. So I think they most probably are either this one and then this one. So these two just come together and then you can create the perfect turquoise set. So I will be creating this one. So I have put the nails here, they are ready to go. I've got all the gels here, and I think I will go first with the turquoise set, and I will be using this brownish shade for that set, and then I will be using these Morada gels from Temu, which will work the best. So yeah, I will see you guys in between, and let's see how I create a press-on set, because these are basically a press-on set. It's just for one hand, and I do not create the other hand most of the time. I never do because these are really long for me and I cannot work with these, so they're just for solely for the video, but they are still press-on. So let's see how we create press-ons. The key difference between these ones and the one that I sell on Etsy is that for these I do not use the base coat. I do not buff them. I don't do any kind of prep. Whereas for the Etsy one, the one that I sell, I do some preps because they are going to real customers and they must last longer. And also the quality of the nails that I use for the personal nails that I give to customers is different than these. So yeah, that's the key difference. And then these are just for myself. So yeah, let's do it. So these were the two gels that I was talking about, the Shy J gels, the turquoise, and hopefully they are the correct shade. Yeah, so there is this shade, the base of the turquoise, and then this is the darker shade M103, and it's like darker brown, perfect for turquoise set. So let's get started. And another thing to make it glow in the dark, these are not, I'm using this glow in the dark powder that I got from Temu as well, and I shade in one of the holes, so you guys can check it back and let's get into it. So I finished this set and this is the final look, and somehow it does not glow. I don't know why, but the powder did not work. I think I would have to add a lot more than what I did, but still, if you're buying it from Temu, I would suggest you not to do it. I will still try once again at night to try to see them in the night, in the dark, but I doubt it will be as strong as it should be. So I'm just gonna put these on and then show the final look in the video, and I will see you with the second set. So this is what it looks like when it's on, so just like press-ons. I just noticed I got like a little smudge here, but we can't do anything now. And yes, one set is completed. I need to complete another one, and I still want to see if it reflects at night. And I don't know what this one looks like, got scratches on or something, but yes, let's see. So this is the final look and it's ready to be put in the nail book. It's here. So I just realized I only need 2 nails and I'm done with this page. This page took longer than expected because I was not that active. So I'm just gonna finish this one today, most probably, if I do the blue set. So I'm just gonna stick this one in and I will see you with the second one. So I have prepped the nails for my second set and I'm ready to start with this one. So I have completed this second set. It turned out pretty good. It's like the marbleish with chrome. I wanted to draw like an evil eye on this one, but I could not, so I just added these golden stars and looks cute. They go like the marble stuff and the golden details just make it perfect. Gives like the night coat vibe if you read Akuta, so it seems like that. So next thing would be to just put everything away, organize, and then edit this video, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.